got that train feature again. Hope it goes half as good as that last one. I haven't had the free games. Guess I would take the free games. Okay, see what they're about. Oh, there's monkeys on there. Oh, I didn't realize that. Oh no. Okay. Getting tall. Come on. Envelopes. Okay. Good. Oh, it's only one game. Well, one's better than none. Wilds. Like a good strip of wilds. More. Okay, 3. Okay. Take a couple of dollars. Kind of a hard one to record. Trains would have been good there. Kind of doing us dirty. Where's those yellow rills? Lots of wilds. Stop. Okay, 3's better than none. Oh, that only pays $6. Oh. Last game. Do something. Oh, nothing. I got that train again. Going by fast. It's way up there. Oh, grand times 2. Wow. Take that one. No. Another 10 games. Darn wilds. Okay. $1.50, I'd say. Ticket? No. Ticket. Yeah. Come on, make it good. Nope. Another 38. We'll take it.
Still at it, huh?
Yeah, it's blown that train whistle. 10 games. Come on, tickets. Free tickets. Nope. Oh, this isn't going so well. Need those rills to move up. Now you move up. A little too late. Yeah, a little too late. Okay, let's see how the free games go. Here we go. Come on, pop it. Okay. Something big. Couple dollars. Come on. Yeah, come on. Multiplier. Pop it. Oh. Oh, come on. Money balls. Oh, last try. Money ball. Nope. Darn. I had 12 up there. Alright. Just, it resets it at 5.
No, I mean originally though.
Oh, 18 I think? I think so. Pop it. Oh. Oh, no tigers there. Pop it. No? I guess it doesn't pop it every time. Last spin. Wow. No pop that time. Oh, 16. Good afternoon, everyone. They're not the best balls. We're on 2 cent. Let's hope. Let's hope we can get more than $1 on each one. Oh, a 1x, 2x bonus. Oh, there's a $100 one up there. He wants to throw one down. Uh-oh. Okay, threw one down. Not the one we wanted, but... Ouch. Okay, last try. Save it. Scream? Nope, no scream. Wow, that wasn't good. That was rough. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Okay, we got the feature. We're on nickels, 340 bet. We can get something good here. Big numbers, big, big, big. Okay. How about a spin? Spin. Oh no. No, we need one. Oh. Darn it. Yeah, just 30 bucks. Darn it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.